If you like the video, please like and comment. Share more important information with others. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get the next update.
If you want to maintain the kidneys properly, you must follow these 9 rules, says the expert doctor. Kidney disease is one of the biggest problems today. Silence can cause terrible damage to the body. Although there is a tendency to high blood pressure, diabetes or hereditary diseases, multiple problems are observed in the kidneys. This can lead to death. However, an unhealthy and irregular lifestyle is also responsible for kidney problems. In this case, there are some common things to keep in mind to keep your kidneys healthy. The Drive has discussed this in detail. Sujit Chatterjee is the executive director of L H Hiranandani Hospital. According to him, the kidneys will be healthy if you observe some common habits in daily life. Medications and pain reliever overdoses should be avoided. Excessive pain relievers should be avoided, because it has a detrimental effect on the kidneys. In this case, alternative medicine or Ayurvedic medicine can be considered. Blood sugar must be controlled. Be aware if you have excess sugar in your blood, because it has a detrimental effect on the kidneys. Increased blood sugar reduces the filtering capacity of the kidneys. It can even lead to kidney failure. This is why diabetic patients should be aware. You need to control blood sugar levels. Hydration. No alternative. Kidney stones are removed due to fluid consumption. So any kind of liquid or water is very necessary for the body to maintain the kidneys well. In this case, you can drink juice, milk, soup or various herbal teas. However, it is best to avoid soda or any extra sweet drink. Keep in mind that there is nothing wrong with drinking water. Drink at least 8-10 glasses of water every day. This removes toxins from the kidneys. Weight control. Excessive weight gain has a detrimental effect on the kidneys. So weight control is also a big problem. In this case, you have to pay attention to body exercise and diet. Stay away from tobacco and alcohol. Excessive smoking and alcohol damage the kidneys, because it increases the level of toxins in the body. This can lead to long-term problems. Control of blood pressure. Be mindful of your blood pressure. Blood pressure should be checked regularly, because if there is a problem with blood pressure, it also affects the kidneys. It can even lead to kidney failure. Eat and drink healthy. Emphasis should be on eating and drinking to keep the kidneys healthy. In addition to reducing the amount of salt, the consumption of meat should also be controlled. That means reducing the amount of sodium intake. In this case, it is very important to control the habit of eating out of food, packaged food, junk food. In addition to this, you should consume foods rich in calcium, magnesium, and citric acid. That means lemons, oranges, grapes, blueberries, or similar fruits can be eaten. Regular exercise. Regular exercise is also a major problem. This helps in rapid loss of toxins. According to experts, exercising at least 5 times a week keeps your kidneys healthy. Yoga exercises are also very useful in this case. Routine body check. A routine checkup should be performed. Because of this, you can be aware of your body. If there is a problem, you can know in advance. In this case, you need to check at least 2-3 times a year.
If you like the video, please like and comment. Share more important information with others. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get the next update.